Now, you did a hair transplant yesterday. Can you share with us your experience about the smart FUE procedure yesterday?
I'm Kumar. I'm 40 years old, and yesterday I did a smart FU hair transplant at the GLOJAS Smart International Aesthetics. Before that, I have more than 15 years hair loss problems. Recent few months back, I did see Dr. Jas the TikToks at all at the TikToks. I seen go through his videos at the TikToks on the how the hair transplant was done, and the information given by Dr. Jas G was very crystal clear. And before that, I was worried on the needle because I was a bit fear and worry on how will be the operation be done. But when I go through with the doctor's Jas G, his advice and operation, it made me no pain at all. I was doing the operation while sitting position, watching the TV, watching the movie and songs, and even I sit and I had a meal and drinking water. While doctor was performing the treatment, I did not feel any pain. You feel sitting in a chair, you feel the massage at all, and you never feel any kind of a pain. It was my frankly comment. The team from GLOJAS Smart International, as well as the Dr. Jas G, and the team, his team was wonderful. They was doing a wonderful job and very precise and very professional doing the smart FU transplant in Malaysia. I believe this is the only company in Malaysia was doing very professional way for the hair transplant operations. So I would recommend the friends or those who have a hair problem, hair loss, get the consultation from Dato. I was very happy. Currently today I'm very happy. My past few years worries and fears had been helped by Dr. Jas G. Thank you, Dr. Jas G and GLOJAS Smart International Aesthetics.